The 2026 Honda HRV is here to redefine what it means to drive a compact SUV, combining striking design, innovative technology, and unbeatable efficiency. With its bold front grille, sleek silhouette, and refined details, this SUV commands attention wherever it goes. Step inside, and you'll find a meticulously crafted interior featuring a cutting-edge infotainment system, premium materials, and ample space to keep every drive comfortable and connected. Under the hood, the 2026 HRV doesn't just perform but excels. Powered by an enhanced, fuel-efficient engine offering up to 25.6 kilometers per liter, it's designed to keep your adventures going further. Equipped with the advanced Honda Sensing Suite, it delivers unparalleled safety with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring confidence and peace of mind on every journey. When you choose the 2026 Honda HRV, you're not just getting an SUV, you're making a statement. Its modern design, exceptional efficiency, and innovative features set it apart in the crowded market. Whether you're commuting through the city or escaping to the great outdoors, the HRV is the perfect partner for every destination. Experience the evolution of driving step into the future with the 2026 Honda HRV.